Hi guys, it's Miss Dunn. I'm here to do some literacy work with you. Today for literacy, we're going to play with the sounds in words, just like we did last week. So I'll say the words first, you'll say them second, and we'll use our hands too, okay? So let's start by getting our hands ready. Let's warm them up. And roll around. Reach up, reach down, reach up, reach down. Okay, I think we're ready. The first kind of words we're going to use are rhyming words that sound the same at the end. You ready? Zip, tip, zip, tip. Lost cost, lost cost. Red bed, red bed. Smile pile, smile pile. Ham Sam, ham Sam. Good job. We're going to listen now for the beginning sound in words, okay? The sound that's at the start of the word. Are you ready? Okay. G, g, good. G, g, good. V, v, van. V, v, van. B, b, box. B, b, box. S, s, side. S, s, side. M, m, mud. M, m, mud. Ooh, good job listening to those beginning sounds. Now we're going to take two parts of words and put them together to make one word. You ready? Purple, purple, purple. River, river, river. Insect, insect, insect. Mother, mother, mother. Lemon, lemon, lemon. Good job. Now we're going to listen to the ending sound in the word, okay? Ready? Shake, shake. Plug, plug. Yet, yet. Drum, drum. Skip, skip. Good job. All right, we're going to take apart some words, split them into their syllables or their smaller parts, okay? Ready? Never, never, never. Dentist, dentist, dentist. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Noodles, noodles, noodles. Obey, obey, obey. Nice job, you guys. All right, we are going to add some endings to words, okay? So I'm going to start with one word, and then we'll add an ending to make a new word. You ready? Melt, add id, melted. Melt, add id, melted. Twist, add id, twisted. Twist, add id, twisted. Plant, add id, planted. Plant, add id, planted. Lift, add id, lifted. Lift, add id, lifted. Rent, add id, rented. Rent, add id, rented. Nice job, you guys. Now we're going to take off a part of the word. We're going to take off the ending of a word. Ready? Chunky, chunky. Take away E, what's left? Chunk. Speedy, speedy. Take away E, what's left? Speed. Muddy, muddy. Take away E, what's left? Mud. Funny, funny. Take away E, what's left? Fun. And crabby, crabby. Take away E, what's left? Crab. Good job, you guys. Okay, the very last thing we're going to do is sing the ABC song. It's one of my favorite songs, and I want to sing it today. You ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thanks, guys. Have a great Monday.